Pack with me for summer camp. Let's get packing. Hey guys, it's Leah. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be packing for summer camp. So I actually leave in 2 days. So let's get packing. I haven't made a list yet, so let's make a list and then we'll start packing. So I like making my list on my iPad. This is my packing list from the last trip I went on. You can watch the short if you guys really want to. But I'm just going to erase all this stuff and then we will make a new list. Here's the packing list I use. I found it on Pinterest, so I'll link it down in the description. Okay, so the list is complete. Obviously, I'm blurring it so you can't see what I'm packing. I'm gonna grab my suitcase out of my closet and let's get packing. Here's the suitcase. It's from AnyZip on Amazon. I'll link it down in the description. It'll also be in my link tree if you guys really care. Why am I struggling right now? So what my plan is, clothes on this side. If I can fit all my clothes on this side, I'm pretty sure I can. I didn't bring that many clothes. And then on this side, everything else. I'll just show you what clothes that I'm bringing and then I'll just put it on the screen where they're from. First up, we have these shorts. Shorts are from Target. These jean shorts are also from Target. These are just black bike shorts. This is from Old Navy. And then these, I just got these shorts. I do not know where they are from. I got them from Goodwill, but they don't have any tag inside them. Now we need shirts. Okay, first up we just have this. I cannot say where these two are from. This is this shirt, Joy, Hope, Faith, and the back has a Bible verse, and I don't actually know where it's from. I got it at Goodwill. Electric pink, made in India. Okay, we have this blue tank top from Walmart. Then we have this blue, plain blue shirt. It's also from Walmart. We have this shirt from Target. Then this blue shirt, I tie-dyed myself. And then we have another one of these shirts from Target. Also, can you guess my favorite color? Somebody send me some clothes that are not the color blue. Next, I'm just gonna pack these black leggings. They are from Old Navy. This comfortable gray shirt. I'm gonna go eat dinner and then I'll come back to you guys in a little bit. Okay, so we're just going to have to ignore this horrible lighting because this is just what the lighting does in my bedroom. Okay, so here's my like little skincare and hair bag. Let's pack the skincare, hair, stuff like that. EOS chapstick. The Chamomile Mario Badescu facial mist. Aquaphor lip therapy. The Avita Nutri-Plenish leave-in conditioner. My Solar Sense sunscreen. And then the La Roche-Posay sunscreen, Daily Invisible Sunscreen. So this is quite a bit of stuff in here. So let's zip it up and get a new bag. Let's zip it up. Hairbrush. Okay, now let's pack the makeup. Elf Clear Mascara and Brow Gel. Eyelash curler, whatever this thing's called. Burt's Bees Pomegranate Chapstick. Blush. A brush for the blush. Oh my gosh. So I'm over here grabbing stuff and my nail polish remover literally just spilled everywhere. And now my room smells heavily of nail polish remover. But this is all the makeup I'm gonna pack. Let's zip it up. Next I'm gonna pack my toiletry bag, toothbrush, toothpaste, razor, throw some flossers in, just hair ties. I'm gonna put more stuff in, but I need it for tonight. This is just a new toothbrush and new toothpaste, so I don't need that for tonight, but I'm gonna zip this up. So I just got this bag from TJ Maxx, and it has like these little bottles. Came with little bottles. I got it for Christmas. So body wash, face wash. It just has the CeraVe face wash. I absolutely love this brand. Conditioner, shampoo, and my little face scrubber. Now let's put everything in my suitcase. Okay, so here's my suitcase. Ignore the lighting, but now let's pack my suitcase. Towel, skincare, makeup, headband, hairbrush, toiletry bag, shower bag. Put this on top. This can just kind of fit right here. This is all I'm gonna pack right now. Let me find more stuff to pack.